In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Snapchat Pixel on Shopify. If you're running a Shopify store and you're ready to integrate Snapchat into your marketing strategy, then you're in the right place. Adding the Snapchat Pixel to your Shopify store helps you track conversions and optimize your ads so that they reach the right audience. Let's dive right in and walk through this step-by-step process together. First things first, you need to start by going to the home page of your Shopify store. This is the central hub where you can manage everything for your online shop. Make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and then navigate to the home page if you're not already there. Once you're on the home page, your next move will be to head over to the Shopify App Store. This virtual storefront is stocked full of apps that are specifically designed to enhance the functionality of your Shopify store. It's where you download essential tools like the Snapchat Pixel to help grow your business and manage it more efficiently. Keep in mind that these apps often require permissions, so make sure you're comfortable with granting them access to your store's data. When you're in the Shopify App Store, you'll want to use the search function to make the process as seamless as possible. Simply type Snapchat Pixel into the search bar and hit enter. It's a straightforward search, but it's critical to ensure you spell everything correctly to find the exact app you're looking for quickly. You'll see a list of results pop up, but our focus is on the Snapchat Pixel. Look for it in the list, and when you find it, go ahead and click on the listing. This will provide more information about the app, including reviews from other users, its features, and any associated fees. Always a good idea to review this information so you know exactly what to expect in terms of functionality and cost. Once you've familiarized yourself with the details, you'll notice the option for A/B multi-Snapchat pixel ads. This is the tool you'll need to efficiently manage multiple pixels if you have various campaigns or stores. By clicking on this option, you're one step closer to integrating Snapchat with your Shopify store. Finally, to wrap things up and get that pixel active on your store, you'll want to click on A/B multi-Snapchat pixel ads again. This ensures that it gets installed properly, and from there you'll follow any additional on-screen instructions to finish the integration. Make sure to double-check all your settings once the installation is complete to confirm everything is configured correctly. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully added the Snapchat Pixel to your Shopify stores of Sukkis. This integration will provide you with valuable insights into customer interactions and significantly enhance your marketing capabilities. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips on optimizing your Shopify store.